Today, technology is evolving faster than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most revolutionary advances of our time, transforming the way businesses operate. From virtual assistant chatbots to automated marketing campaigns, AI is changing the way business works and creating a whole new type of organization. In this video, we'll look at 5 ways AI is transforming the way business works. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 5. Understanding big data. Exploiting big data for business can be used to develop better business strategies, explore new markets, reach customers, promote products, optimize workflows, and lower costs. Regardless of sector, big data can help increase profitability through data collection, processing, and analysis. Businesses today collect an abundance of data on consumers from channels such as cookies, social media, and customer surveys, all of which give insight into user behavior. However, rather than analyzing these channels alone, big data looks at finding patterns across data sets to employ for many purposes. Number 4. Improves customer experience. AI can offer customers better and more personalized experiences of working with your business. Machine learning especially focuses on this, since it can cater to a person dealing with your business with recommendations based on their previous behavior. An obvious example of this are shopping websites, where if you look for a pair of jeans, the website will suggest similar items alongside the original one. Number 3. Increasing automation. AI and automation are changing the way businesses operate and will continue to contribute to increased growth and productivity. The concept of automation scares a lot of people. Why? The automation of manufacturing, transportation, and maintenance tasks has eliminated many jobs, and certain jobs will become extinct at the hands of intelligent robots. Yes, machines will be able to carry out more of the tasks done by humans, complement the work that humans do, and even perform some tasks that go beyond what humans can do. As a result, some jobs will decline, others will grow, and many more will change. Number 2. Improving cybersecurity. Unfortunately, due to the magnitude of potential cybersecurity threats, it is not a human-scale problem anymore. In response to this, AI tools are helping to reduce the risk of breaches and improve a company's security posture effectively. Whilst it can seem unnatural to rely on computer programs to improve the security of computers, many cybersecurity breaches across organizations are due to human error. AI can filter out potentially malicious links, spam, or phishing emails before employees open them, minimizing this risk. These technologies also learn over time, drawing from the past data to identify new types of attacks. Number 1. Reducing costs. Many people automatically assume that modern technologies are expensive, making affordability a key driving factor in its creation. As AI becomes more effective, reliable, and utilized by the masses, it also becomes more affordable for businesses to implement. Due to the limitations of a human workforce, such as time and resources, AI is often the most cost-effective option. For example, a customer service chatbot can answer most common questions and hand over more complex questions to a human expert. That's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.